Hello all, welcome to our YouTube channel My Project Ideas. In this video, we'll be discussing a Python based application to make a clock. As far as requirements of building this application is concerned, it requires Python with all the libraries installed and a Visual Studio Code editor. You can either use any of the editor. I have specifically used Visual Studio Code, that's why I have mentioned Visual Studio Code. So with that being said, let's get started and have a look on the code. So this is a basic classic Python programming code to make a clock. Initially, we have used Tkinter library here to make some sort of graphical user interface. As the moment I will hit this run button, a window will pop up and will display the current time. So we have imported all the modules and libraries from Tkinter, and we have created a UI with a background color black, with the foreground parameter as cyan, and DS digital as font, which is a default font given to a UI. And we have pack our label through the parameter of anchor as center. And we have given the title of our title to our pop-up window as clock. And we have imported all the libraries, and we have used strf time, that is string format time, to format to basically strf time is used to display the way in which time will be displayed on your screen. For example, it will display as hours, minutes and seconds, and it's AM or PM. So it's and we have finally pack our code through main loop function. So this is the most important line of our code applet, because this particular code applet is showing us that the time will be displayed in the form of this, that is hours, minutes and seconds, and AM or PM. So it should display. So let's see what it's displaying when I hit the run button. So am I running the program? So as you can see that it's displaying the current time, that is hours, 10:58 is the time, 10:58:52 seconds, and it's AM. So this is an entire Python program. You can match the output with the program. This particular window is created through Tkinter library. Root.title as clock, so root.title as clock. We have used string format time parameter to display the current time. It's 10:55. It's continuously moving around. So this is a clock which we have created through this code applet. So you can see that this is a basic program, Python program to build a clock. So I hope guys the things are precise enough and clear enough. The code is very understandable enough. And we have matched this code with the output also, that it's showing the correct time. So I hope guys you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel My Project Ideas in order to get some more interesting stuff in different technical domains. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. Till then, keep growing, keep exploring.